Turn around. Check. Hey, super. Hmm? How many are there? 10. 13. Very good. How many are there? 20. Now what's the total?
Very good.
Hmm.
Minus one.
So for the next activity, we have these live shapes, wooden shapes, and these little flashcards that I have made at home myself. I've just taken the printout and laminated these sheets. I'll again link it below in the description box of how I create these flashcards. These are just homemade DIY flashcards that you can easily make at home, and these are the live shapes that I have got from Amazon. I'll share the link below for those who want to buy it. And now he'll be matching these live shapes with the flashcards. These are 3D shapes now. We have learned the two-dimensional shapes. Now we are learning the three-dimensional shapes. Abir, ready? Let's get started. What is this shape? What is this shape called?
Sphere.
Sphere. Next one.
Cylinder.
Yes, cylinder. Very good.
Cube.
Where's cube? Very good.
Pyramid.
Very good.
Cone.
That's right. This is a cuboid.
Cuboid.
Good job. Give me a high five. So dinosaur's mouth will open at the bigger number. Yes. Show me.
Now, this. Is this right? No. Is this right? Yay!
Now Abir will sort everything in the ascending order. The ascending order means lowest, smallest to the biggest number, okay?
So just look for the smallest number in this row. It's called this, right? That's right. Okay. What comes next? Say the numbers louder. 23, 89, 68. What comes next? Very good. That's right. Alright. Very good. Good job! Give me a high five! Then. That's right. Yes. Very good.